tumblers will be without a doubt the second best-selling product after the standard t-shirts in my opinion. The demand is huge for this product and the competition is very low compared to t-shirts. I asked the AI for t-shirts and tumblers market size in the US. So for t-shirts we got $5 billion a year and for tumblers around $1 billion. And that's a lot of tumbler sales with very low competition compared to, t-shirts. To be honest, if you're tier 100 and below, you should be only focusing on tumblers at this point. Every niche you will find now will definitely have a low competition. But make sure to watch this video to understand first how to find this tumbler niche ideas and how to check the trademark, which is very important for us. And also how to design for it because it's quite different than the usual t-shirt design. So what 90% of Amazon merch sellers will do is just upload their same t-shirt designs to tumblers. Well, that may work, but it's definitely not the best approach. You have first to find niches that are proven to sell very good on tumblers. Let's start the niche research. I will search funny tumblers so we can get a very wide idea of different selling niches. Look at the amount of monthly sales to get an idea of the market size here. This is a perfect time to have some tumblers bestsellers in the future, since the majority of these niches will have low competition because only FBA sellers will sell usually tumblers. Let's check out this niche first. Let me drop everything and work on your problem. And you can see here this strong sign that customers are looking to buy exactly this tumbler niche. Also, you got the mug here. You can say the niches that work for mugs work as well for tumblers. Alright, take a look at the results, 500. And now take a look at the sales and the reviews. 50 reviews, 1000 reviews, 40, 100. Like the amount of sales that happened on this niche are a lot, and it's evergreen as well. So if you hit some sales and ranked your design in the first page, you will have a great bestseller. I mean, literally the first page on the big funny tumbler keyword, we found a good niche. Doing this with t-shirts, like searching funny shirt, you will have to go a couple pages to find one good niche. But for tumblers, the competition is still at a minimum. Now let me show you how you can check if a niche is safe or not. First, with the copyright, you simply Google your niche. You can see here books, but they're not like official books, just notebooks. The picture reviews, as you can see, they're not like official books from authors and stuff that could copyright you. For the trademark class is different than t-shirts. The trademark class of tumblers is 21 or 021. I use both Trademarkia and USPTO just to double check, and you will see later in this video why. So first on Trademarkia, search up your niche and then go here and choose class 21. Alright, so not trademarked. Usually the trademark appears in the first 3 results. Same for USPTO, search your niche and you can see immediately we got this one and it's for class 021. But it's just pending, not registered. If you want to see how a trademark niche look like, you have to filter by only live registered, and these are the trademarked niches. But for pending it's not trademarked, so that's a niche you could work on. I will find more niches and check them so you can get more familiar with the process. Alright, going back to funny Tumblr page, let's see this niche. You don't have to be crazy to work here, we will train you. So there is no suggestion in the search bar for tumblers, but that's fine. There is mug, and tumblers also appear with the mugs in the search results. It's technically the same target audience. So 400 results here, and the reviews are really great on different tumblers. I like to see the reviews more than the BSR since it's a new product, so new category, and we can't really guess the amount of sales based on only the BSR. But for t-shirts we can do so because we have our own data. By the way, talking about data, I'm going to do an experiment actually to see how tumblers will sell for me. The plan is to find 100 niches, just evergreen niches, since I like to see consistent sales, and I will design 3 designs for each niche and upload them. I'll make around 10-15 Tumblr designs every day, so hopefully it takes me around 20 to 25 days to finish them. And the goal is to get data that I will share with you. So in this experiment I will be doing different pricing points to see what will work better, different Tumblr colors as well, text-based design or graphic designs, one-sided design, two-side designs, basically trying different options. And after I upload the designs, I will give them the next 2 months for the results. And I'm not gonna be using ads, just organically first. Then I will do another experiment with ads so we can see how both options work. Let me know your thoughts in the comment about this and make sure to subscribe because I'll keep you updated on the community tab. Anyway, this niche looks fine for the copyright, it's safe, and so for the trademark. By the way, we check the trademark also while uploading with Productors, so it's 3 checks in total just to be extra safe. Alright, let's try different thing than funny. I will Google random job generator and use this website, click generate a job here, and let's copy therapist. Replace it in funny and just see the results. So this, keep talking, I'm diagnosing you. So there is a Tumblr in the search bar. It's the best sign you could have while doing niche research, with 500 results in the competition, and the reviews looks very good. That's a very promising niche. If we check the same niche for t-shirts, there is 5,000 results and the reviews honestly looks the same. Tumblers are still an empty market, so for the copyright here it's safe, and same for the trademark in both websites. Let's now generate another random job. Let's just copy assistant and replace it in therapist. first. Just scroll down until you see a potential niche idea like this. I save animals, what's your superpower? So we don't have Tumblr in the search bar, but we got cup, which also gives you tumblers in the results. This design have sold 50 last month. There is multiple reviews and only 44 results. Very low amount of results. The copyright is safe, there is only a notebook, but for the trademark you can see what's your superpower is trademarked on class 21, so we can't use this niche. And if you look on USPTO, the trademark will not appear in the first results. You have to really scroll down to see it, and sometimes it could be even in the second page. That's why double checking with both trademark websites is a must thing to do. Also, we do a last check with Productor while uploading. Now I want to show you how to search only for Amazon merch tumblers to see what other print-on-demand sellers like you are selling. Just search Amazon merch on demand tumbler, you will get only 200 results here, so go to categories and scroll down to home and kitchen. Now you will get over 3000 results and around 155 pages. And just be careful while doing niche research here, there's a lot of brands that are selling here. In fact, a lot of brands got access to Amazon merch tumblers last year, like Jeep did upload this tumbler November 2023. Disney here uploaded on April of this year. I guess Amazon wanted to test how tumblers will perform, and probably they are testing other products right now and we just don't know yet. Anyway, let's find one more niche so I can show you how to design for tumblers. So I'll go with this one. It's weird being the same age as old people. A very popular t-shirt niche, but it's selling really good on tumblers too, with only 800 results in the competition. There is no copyright for it and also no trademark since it's only pending, not registered. And apparently the same people who wanted to trademark the other niche we found earlier, let me drop everything and work on your problem, also wanted to trademark this one. You can see the same owner, and probably they are trying to trademark multiple other print-on-demand niches, but usually they get cancelled or abandoned. Alright, now let me show you a quick design for this niche. I will use Photoshop. You can download the template from this official website, Merch Resources. I will leave the link in description. You can also use Kirol if you want, so just put this size here, but I'll use Photoshop in this case. Once you open it, it will show like this, where you can see the finished product in the mockups. To design, double click on this layer, and here where you can start your design. I found this kinda layout design sitting on multiple tumblers. I will do something quickly like it, but just in black and white. I'll copy this mug and paste it in here. Let's start with a triangle, and I'll make the edges a bit rounded. And I'm gonna be designing for a white tumbler, so let's change the color to black. Now the text starting by weird, and this font is fine. This is just a quick example, it's not gonna be the best design. So duplicate and type in being the, and so on until you type the whole phrase. When you finish, click Ctrl S to save it and go back to the template to see how it's showing. Alright, go back and hide the mug design and also the guides first, and just like that you can see the mockup. By the way, this mockup is not the one showing on Amazon Marketplace, it's different, and I feel like this one here in the templates and in the Amazon upload page is much better. My guess is the mockup we see now in Amazon Marketplace is just like the beta mockup. Hopefully they change it to this one. Now when you make the design, you can duplicate it to the other side if you want, but in my opinion that wouldn't look good. And that's just what I'm saying now currently, since I don't have any data yet. With the Tumblr experiment that I will do, I'll try different things and see what sticks, so I can double down on that. For now I can leave this design in one side and upload it like this. This was a quick design to not make the video too long. I will definitely make a separate video about designing specifically for tumblers. It's a subject on its own in my opinion, there is a lot to cover. Now the upload, I'm gonna make the design a bit smaller like this and center it, and this is the preview. For the price I will leave it $21.99, even there is no big difference in royalties between 20 or 21 or 22, but I want to try all different pricing points. Here I made this title and brand and one bullet point, so if I want to check the trademarks, first go to Productor Settings in the top and scroll down to Trademark Check, then select Class 21. You can keep Class 25 and 009, and then click Trademark US button, and there is no trademark. I hope you also start with me the experiment, and I will help you by giving you 25 Tumblr niches that have low competition to help you start. Just join my newsletter for free in description to receive them, and if you're already subscribed, you should have received them when you're watching this video.